Stuck with an American Express gift card and itching to buy that new PS5 game? Well, direct redemption on the PlayStation Store isn't an option, unfortunately, since you need a debit or credit card tied directly to you. But don't throw that gift card away just yet. We've got a workaround. First, head over to a major online retailer like Amazon or even Walmart's website. Search for a PlayStation Store gift card. You'll find various denominations available. Choose one that matches the balance on your American Express gift card, or combine smaller denominations if needed. At checkout, use your American Express gift card as the payment method. Enter the card number, expiration date, and security code just like you would with any other credit or debit card. Once purchased, you'll typically receive a digital code via email or on the retailer's website. This is your golden ticket. Now on your PS5, go to Settings, then PlayStation Network, and select Account Management. Choose Account Information, then scroll down and select Wallet. From there, select Add Funds and then Redeem Codes and Gift Cards. Enter the digital code you received from Amazon or Walmart, confirm the amount, and bam, the funds are now in your PSN Wallet. Now you can use those funds to purchase games, add-ons, or PlayStation Plus subscriptions directly from the PlayStation Store. Enjoy gaming.